So yeah, decided to take the Land Rover onto a dyno day to see what it makes. That's a stock 2.25 petrol. They're 74 horsepower, I think Wikipedia says, when new. I don't know how accurate that is. And that would have been back in the 60s. Mine uses a hell of a lot of oil, probably a litre every 25 miles, quite a lot. That's through mainly blow-by, but there's valve guides and leakage involved in there somewhere. So it's pretty worn out. But I've often thought it's such a low basic engine as standard. It probably can't get much worse. As long as it runs, it probably can't get much worse than standard power. But yeah, this is what it made.
Got enough memory in your phone from the beginning of the rev to the end.
What's it going to make then?
49.
What's it going to make?
45.
35.
55. Dre, what's it going to make?
42.
Jesus Christ, absolute. It's going to make 60. Oh my god. It's like being stood too close to some industrial machine. Horsepower! 53!
That's 2 brake horse up.
A bit difficult to read because the scale on the graph is for real cars and not this. But yeah, it made 54 horsepower at the flywheel and 105 newton meters. Bloody impressive.